Here is Steam Rangers RX224 and RX207 in Lego. So yeah, I built both of these. RX207 I have had for a long time, and I've just been working on it, making it look better over time. So it used to be like shorter, but then I extended the plates further. I made it look just like a little closer to the real ones. And it's all official Lego pieces, except here this coal is actually from the real locos. My friend gave it to me. So this yellow thing here, that's to go on the light, make it look different. So I built 207 ages ago, and 207 is motorized, 224 is not. I just copied 207 to make 224, and it has a magnet instead of a cow catcher, so I can couple them up together. And inside the cab it's different because I couldn't find the exact pieces. But when I'm close up to the real ones, I just saw that red thing. I don't know what it was, but it just looked like that Lego piece, so I just put that in there. They look pretty good from the front and the side. There is another Lego RX class that I've seen on Google, and it's really detailed, but I haven't drawn any of the red lines on these yet. We're on the tender. I might do that at some point, and I'm making lots of extra details. And this does work on actual Lego track. It does take the tight curves. This design too. You see the cord under here that goes all the way under and then in there. This is my own design for the Steam Rangers RX224 and 207. I'm a really small channel right now, so if you want to subscribe, it would help out a lot. I like the video. Thanks for watching.